You're the same as everybody else. You are no different.
Today we're going to practice with Forrest Gump. We'll listen, repeat, shadow, and then break down the key vocabulary together. Ready? Let's go.
Mama said they'd take me anywhere.
Mama said they'd take me anywhere.
She said they was my magic shoes.
She said they was my magic shoes.
All right, Forrest. You can open your eyes now.
All right, Forrest, you can open your eyes now.
Let's take a little walk around.
Let's take a little walk around.
Did you hear what I said, Forrest?
Did you hear what I said, Forrest?
You're the same as everybody else. You are no different.
You are the same as everybody else. You are no different.
Your boy's different, Ms. Gump. His IQ is 75.
Your boy is different, Miss Gump. His IQ is 75. IQ, there are meaning intelligence quotient. Example, his IQ is 70, so he struggles with solving problems.
We're all different, Mr. Hancock.
Well, we're all different, Mr. Hancock.
Now this is normal. Forrest is right here.
Now this is normal. Forrest is right here.
The state requires a minimum IQ of 80 to attend public school, Mrs. Gump.
The state requires a minimum IQ of 80 to attend public school, Ms. Gump. Requires means to need or demand something as necessary. Example, the job requires experience in programming. Attend means to be present at some place like a meeting, class, or function. Example, I plan to attend the wedding next weekend.
He's going to have to go to special school.
He's gonna have to go to a special school.
What does normal mean anyway? He might be a bit on the slow side.
What does normal mean anyway? He might be a bit on the slow side, but slow side, it means something that is slow or moving at the slower pace compared to others. Example, he's on the slow side when it comes to learning new skills.
But my boy Forrest is going to get the same opportunities as everyone else.
My boy Forrest is going to get the same opportunities as everyone else.
He's not going to some special school to learn how to retread tires.
He's not going to some special school to learn how to retread tires.
We're talking about 5 little points here.
We are talking about 5 little points here.
There must be something can be done.
There must be something can be done. Do you want me to cover a scene from your favorite movie? Let me know in the comments. Great job today. You sounded amazing. Keep practicing. The more you shadow, the more natural you'll sound. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel.